Hey everyone, it's Cici here, and today I'm excited to show you how to use a wireless doorbell camera and an indoor security camera for your home. With these devices, you can keep an eye on your property and loved ones, whether you're home or away. So let's dive right in. First, let's unbox your wireless doorbell camera. You'll find the camera itself, mounting screws, 3 AAA batteries, the chime, and a user manual. Make sure to read the manual for specific setup instructions. One of the best things about these cameras is that you can access the live feeds remotely, whether you're at work, on vacation, or just in another room. You can use the app on your smartphone to see what's happening. To enhance security, set up alerts for both cameras. This way, you'll be notified if there's any movement or if someone rings your doorbell. You can adjust the sensitivity of the alerts to avoid unnecessary notifications. These cameras offer cloud storage options which are really convenient. Make sure to configure this to store footage and snapshots in case you need them later. Check your camera's app or settings for these options. And there you have it. Using wireless doorbell and indoor security cameras is a great way to enhance your home security. It's simple, convenient, and provides peace of mind. Again, I've added the link in the description below if you want to get it. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and share it with your friends and family. Stay safe!